I hope they know that I'm ready. So nasty, I act just like my pappy. A lot of niggas want a piece of me like I'm some candy. I ran me up.
Who engineered this?
Rude girl knows this on repeat. Barbie stepping, it's a dream. Baddest bitch, you can't compete. Damn me, blow, check my receipts. And my niggas in the team, stacking up on all them peas. Cutting up that light and beat. You want beef? Come see me.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC45 and I'm just blending this into my skin. Yep, you just really want to evenly blend out your foundation and make sure it's blended in really well. Now I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Cappuccino and my MAC Prolongwear concealer in the shade NC42, and I'm using this to contour and highlight my face. I'm just placing the concealer everywhere I'm going to highlight, and I'm placing the contour shade everywhere I'm going to contour, which is my cheekbones and my forehead, so that's the darker shade. So now I'm just first blending in my contour, and I'm using my blending brush for that. And you really just want to press the concealer into your skin, like just pat it into your skin, not like rubbing it or swiping it. You just really want to pat it in. And likewise, you have to do the same for under your eyes too, which is your highlight. So yeah, my highlight is really bright because you guys know me, I love my bright highlight. Like, I need my highlight to always pop. And yeah, I'm even going in with a brighter shade, which is Porcelain by LA Girl concealer. LA Girl Cosmetics, sorry. Porcelain by LA Girl Cosmetics. And I'm further just blending everything in. Now I'm just, going in with my nose contour. You just want to put 2 lines down your nose and just blend it in, really. That's just how it goes. Sacha Buttercup for my setting powder, and I'm setting under my eyes so I can achieve that nice bright highlight look. And on top of that, we're setting as well, just so our concealer is in place and it doesn't move. So I'm setting my forehead, down my nose, my chin area, and yeah, you get the drift, really. Now we're just dusting that setting powder away with my brush, and yeah, we're just going to lightly brush off that setting powder because we don't need it. And I'm going into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using that brown shade to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. Yep, this is what's going to give us that nice contoured look. And just to get that powdery look away, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus spray to dust off, that powder look. And I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics face powder. I don't remember the shade, but it's going to be in the description bar down below. And yeah, now I'm just putting I'm just using that powder to just further blend in everywhere I've highlighted and just set my face with it. And then I'm going with some blush, and I'm using the pink shade and orange shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm using that as my blush. Then I'm using another brush to like blend it in properly and stuff. You guys know I love my blush looking really like boom, like really, really intense. Diamond Bomb from Fenty Beauty, the most beautiful highlight. It's literally like glitter particles. I love it. I didn't go in with my Artist Couture today, guys. Yep. I didn't go in with my Artist Couture today, guys. I just wanted to keep it, on the Fenty side. Like, the Diamond Bomb highlight is just amazing. Hashtag get the Dammy Glow every single day. Hashtag get a Dammy Glow. Comment hashtag get a Dammy Glow if you know your highlight pops. Comment that down in the description bar below. And yeah, now I'm just going in with that brown shade. I'm just sweeping on my eyelids just to, create a nice base, really. We're not doing anything with the eyes, so we're just going to, put some brown eyeshadow on. This is just mainly focusing on the skin routine now and our foundation routine. So if you guys want a full coverage look, just make sure you follow these steps and you guys will achieve that. You will achieve that full coverage look, literally. And I'm just setting that concealer as well with the brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette. Now I'm taking my NYX eyeliner and I'm creating a nice wing. You want your eyeliner to be intense, sharp, and long and thick. Literally, our mink lashes, popping them on because we got to do what we got to do. Like, we need to look like a bad bitch, and that's only gonna happen if we've got our long 25mm mink eyelashes on. So yep, guys, you guys want to make sure you do this step. I don't feel like any makeup look is complete without lashes, if you know what I mean. Now I'm taking my NYX lip liner. I don't remember the shade, but it's going to be listed down below in the description bar. And I'm just lightly lining my lips. I'm overlining my lips as well because I want that plump and full lip effect. So if you want that plump and full lip effect, you need to overline your lips. And yeah, literally your lips are going to be looking amazing. You're going to be looking like you've got lip fillers done, but literally you haven't. So yeah, we're just lining our lips as carefully as we can, making sure it's looking nice and snatched and nice and plump before we go in with the lippy. Dose of colours, lippy in the shade Cork, and it's a matte lip. At first I was like, that's all right, but then I went in with a bit of concealer because I wanted to create that ombre effect. So I went in with a bit of porcelain, or my Makeup Revolution in the shade C7 as well. I went in with that. And then I'm just tightlining my waterline with some black pencil, and now I'm putting some mascara on. Mascara's from Maybelline. I know, literally, I don't remember what exact, one it is, because the writing has just rubbed off. So yeah, literally. But yeah, I went in my Maybelline mascara after to make those eyelashes pop. Now I'm just going in with some more highlighter, as you guys can see, because we just got a glow. I'm further lining my lips just to give me that full lip effect, because that's what's happening. That's what we're going for. And I'm just powdering my face a bit more. My signature Dammy dots. You guys know I live for these beauty spots, and that's just it.